going for it. Yes! One more, guys. That's fish. Cast after cast after cast. What's up, guys? Jamie here from Puerto Vallarta once again. We're getting ready for one more adventure. This time we're going surf casting from the beach and also camping. We're going very deep, little paradise beach for ourselves. We'll definitely be all alone. And here's everything we're bringing. Fishing gear, camping gear, and of course more fishing gear. So I hope you guys enjoy the clip. Let's make it happen and let's catch a giant. We just got here. The spot is amazing, right on the ocean side, a little bit in the shade because it's about 100 degrees Fahrenheit right now, and it's looking amazing. So the tents are ready and now we're gonna get the fishing stuff ready. All right, we're here, middle of the day. We're gonna give it a little try middle of the day, even if it's very hot. Giovanni. He's shooting some meat in the water. Just a basic meat and lead setup. I'll go with the stick bait. Of course, my favorite. This place is amazingly beautiful. Let's give it a try. I'll for sure get the drone in the air in a couple minutes. Let's make it happen.
I'm gonna fly, I'm gonna fly, I'm gonna fly with you. We're gonna fly, we're gonna fly, we're gonna fly.
My sound.
I'm gonna fly, I'm gonna fly, I'm gonna fly with you.
Guys, hooked up. I don't know what I got here, but I'm hooked up and it's pulling line, baby. Woo! Woo! Come here, you little bully. Woo, guys! Oh, he's not that little. He's not that little. Look at that, guys. Woo! Look at that, you guys. Jack Reveal. Woo! Nice fight. That was my second cast today. First cast, they got the stick bait away from me. Second cast, nice jack. That's how we do it, baby. On the sticky. Hell yeah. Let's go rinse that guy. We'll throw him back in the water. Look at that, guys. Jack Reveal. famous Jack Crevalle around here. Bye. Have fun out there. Hell yeah, that's how you want to start a trip. 2 casts, 2 fish. The first one got my stick bait away. I think it had teeth on because my leader was very ugly. Second cast, Jack Crevalle on. Nice little fight to get even more warmed up. Let's go get some more. I don't know if you can hear or see, but my dad just hooked up, so I'm running all the way to him. Hopefully a big snapper. So I just got here, and he also got a Jack Crevalle on top water.
There we go, guys. Right off this cliff, beautiful scenery. Water splashing in my face, doesn't get any better.
Ahí está. Woo! Fish on. Y no es toro, ¿eh? No, güey, baila como chora.
Andan unos gallos también ahí, güey.
Woo! On the giant Nobi stick bait. Let's see what we got here. Doesn't fight like a jack at all. Una chora, güey. Una chora. Bonito. On the giant stick bait. Look at that, they're going for it. Yes! One more, guys. That's fish. Cast after cast after cast. That's how you do it. I'm about to go get Olga so she can catch her too. What's up?
Fish on, baby.
All right. I stopped the camera because I'm very tired for a minute throwing that beautiful Nobi stick bait. Here is my dinner. Spanish mackerel for everyone. Whew. Oh, it's now almost 9 o'clock. I am so dead. Incredible. Got a bunch of jacks, I don't even know how many. Bonito, houndfish, and a nice Spanish mackerel for dinner. Couldn't ask for a better first day. And take a look at that scenery. Oh yes, now it's snack time. Just did some rice with the Spanish mackerel. Here's a snapper. Little tacos for everyone. Woo! As you can see, the second spot was very promising. A bunch of structure, a lot of rocks, but unfortunately it wasn't holding any bait, so it was kind of hard to find some nice action. We ran into a couple jacks, a couple houndfish for sure, but it wasn't enough to make a second clip. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the first day. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully see you soon.